Welcome to Dragon Off Grid, where we provide multiple different solar solutions for all of our customers, and we provide solar at any scale. Today we're going to be doing a product demonstration of one of our best sellers here at Dragon Off Grid, which is the PowerBox Mini. One of the biggest things that makes our product different from the others is our product modularity. Unlike multiple different solar solutions out on the market today, our system is completely modular, which means that in multiple situations where you need either more batteries, more inverters, the system is incredibly easy to use and very easy to integrate with each other. On the right hand side of me, you see two different products. We see the PowerBox Mini, which is capable of delivering more than 1,000 watts and up to 1,500 watts surge under select situations. What makes this product incredibly versatile is the fact that we utilize a system that is interlocking. So here we have a solar charge controller, which is in charge of taking all of our solar inputs and translating it into current usable DC energy. So what makes this product very versatile is the fact that it can simply click on. This makes this system incredibly easy to use and anybody can use it. Your 3-year-old can sit down with you and be able to plug up multiple batteries if the batteries get low. What makes this really cool is if we take a look at the back, all of our inputs are made to work with each other. So there is no wrong or right way in order to plug this in. Simply click and we have power. We also see a pair of MC4 connectors which are in charge of actually connecting up to multiple different power arrays and different types of solar solutions. If we open up the box inside of it, we can see the different settings that are included inside of this box. So we can see that our battery voltage is 26.5 volts and there's currently no load coming in because there is no solar attached. But if there was a solar array attached, we would see that coming into the box. What makes the product incredibly great and versatile is maybe you have a situation where you need to run a couple things out when the power goes out, maybe you're boondocking, or you're maybe in just one of those areas where you just don't have reliable power. This box is incredibly great for you because not only does it provide on-demand power and a pure sine wave electricity wave, you can also power multiple appliances like a hairdryer. So maybe you're out on the boondocks, maybe you're out somewhere camping and you need the ability to be able to power. Or if you can see here, we might be able to need to blow dry our husky when there was a little bit of rain. So what makes it great is you can see, you can run most blow dryers and most hair dryers, for example, on low to high settings depending on what you have. And it makes it extremely versatile for anybody that's using this box. You can power your fridge, you can power your RV. There's a lot of different solutions for what we offer here at Dragon Off Grid. So we really recommend that you check our page out and that you take a look at some of our products today. Make sure to check out our website at dragonoffgrid.com to find all your solar solutions and maybe even find a solution that fits your needs today.